2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Good. Let's put this item. What have we done? So first, to begin with, we open the girl here and we block. And I block the girl here on the wrist, zack, and between my both arms, and we are here 80% body weight, and here 20%. And now, because I locked her, I'm going to go forward shortly, back shortly, down, down, and then go a little bit up and to my previous position, zack. Okay? So this would be, and 1, 2, and 3, and 4. Okay? It's important to make this only from the legs, don't make it from the leading, and don't make it going 100% on the body weight. We go a little bit forward, a little bit back, a little bit forward, a little bit back, because it's syncopation. It's fast. Good. When we finish this, then we are here 4, and now with my right hand I'm going to tell the girl, and 5, and 6, and 5. What I'm telling you, I'm going with the hand from the BH line a little bit lower, with the fingertips I push and I turn my hip to her. And block, and now I'm going to tell her, come a little bit back, but don't close. Watch how my body is. My body is telling her not to close, it's telling her to stay open. My hand is telling her not close, it's telling her just a little bit, zack, and block. And then on the 7, completely. So we were here and we did and 5, and 6, 7, 8. Good. Next part, we go back and we throw the hand. 1, and we block right away. So how do we do this? I throw, lose, and catch. Okay, and this happens only 1. And 1, put her hand on my hip. 2, put my hand on her shoulder. 3, start on and. 3, and. 4, and now with my right hand, left hand on her shoulder, and my body will tell her, and 5, and release. What does it mean, release? If I'm here, I'm going to make and 4 and 5. 5 release means for the girl, she can make the wave down. Now on the 6, I don't stay, I go 6 with the body weight to her because she went alone. 5, I come 6, and then I go 7 and 8. I ask for the hand by touching her shoulder and here, because the girl is here and she needs to get the signal that she comes back. Okay, good. Last part. We went in Jenga, we went down, and 1, and 2, up, 3, up, 4. So how does this happen? I go basic 1 on my left, and she was her right, and I push with the fingertips in diagonal low, and to me, softly, because it's Jenga. And 1. I'm down, I go up, and then on the other side with this part of my hand, 2. And then I go up and give her the hip shortly like we did before. 3, 4, don't turn the whole body. And then we go jumping. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Technique connection is very important when I go here. And then zack, stop her and go to the side.